So huyo ni Steve amefika, the feeds are here. Remember ukitaka feeds anywhere across Nyanza, huyu Steve ndio plug wangu. Steve, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
I'm fine. Asante. Sasa huyo ndio plug wangu wa feeds za kuku. Wacha tuende to offload sasa feeds. Yeah, hiyo ndio homestead mazee. This is right in Bondo, Usenge, mahali panaitwa Gotramogi. So wacha tufike tutoe feeds, tuziweke kwa store kwanza. Na ukumbuke venye nimekuambia, ukitaka feeds za kuku, Steve is the guy to go to. Any day, any place within Nyanza, he'll deliver. Steve, Koro. You want my bear? Thank you so much.
Google Map.
Google Map imekuleta. What have you brought for me?
I brought for you Fugo Kienyeji.
Fugo Kienyeji.
Yes.
Remember, this is for improved chicken. So this is a bunch of like 8 bags, enough for like 200 bags for the next 1.5 months or 2 months or so. So wacha ni offload, alafu kwanza tuende tuangalie kuku ziko wapi. Okay, now we are going to see the chicks. Remember, nilizichukua, they are now almost 2 months. Sasa nataka kuzibadilishia chakula, and this is the chicken house, eh? So Steve was here last time. I know he'll be shocked at the development.
Nice. Very nice.
So early this morning. Yeah.
Okay. They have starved a little bit. That's why.
No, yeah, it was just today. Yeah. But now
their weight is good. How many weeks are they?
They are now 8 weeks.
8 weeks. Yeah, that's now the right time. Now we should
to introduce. Yeah.
Kienyeji grower.
Yes.
So at the age, at the week what? Week 16. We'll achieve 2.2 kg.
2.2 kg.
Yeah, live weight. Generally, the house is good. It's clean.
Yeah, I had just removed the litter in the morning. I was changing.
A good sign. It's not a good sign. This coccidiosis manifesting. So you need an antibiotic as soon as possible.
For all of the cuckoos.
Yes. Yeah. This is not a good sign. Is there any mortality?
No, there's no mortality.
So you need.
So today I've gotten to understand that my chicks might be suffering coccidiosis, so I'll get them medication.
So you need sawdust. You don't have sawdust?
No, I changed today in the morning.
Okay. If you change, you replace immediately.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this brooder now, you don't need it now.
No, I'll introduce another set of.
Oh, you want to use another set?
Yes.
So where are we taking these ones?
These ones yet to build another house.
Okay.
Yes.
So you have to disinfect here for 2 weeks so that it can rest for 2 weeks.
Okay.
Before you
introduce another.
Yeah, you bring another chicks.
Okay.
Yeah.
So. Yeah. Otherwise, they are good.
Yeah, they are good. There is uniformity in growth. How many are they?
They are 142. I lost 8 out of 150.
8. At what age did you lose?
I lost 6 in the first 8 days.
6 in the first 8 days.
And 2 after 3 weeks.
Yeah. Yes. Which breed is this?
Improved Kienyeji from Kalro, Kakamega.
Oh, that's good.
Yes.
See, there is uniformity, so that means there is no big issue with the pecking order. So all the birds are feeding at free will and they are taking water at the same time.
Sure.
This is good. Okay.
Sure. Okay, thanks.
Alright. Been enforced biosafety at the entrance, so we need to introduce it's called a disinfectant.
A foot deep?
Yeah, foot dip disinfectant, so that you dip in your feet before entering the poultry house. Somewhere here, you can do a basin and a sponge, or you can, you can introduce a manhole here. So either way, the one is cheap.